Hey kids, welcome back to the Hobby Corner. This is going to be a quick one. To my 6 viewers, I apologize for having been gone so long, but it has been a very life-changing 18 months for me in a lot of ways, just on a personal level. That being said, I've got a couple of kits that I'm really excited to get into building. I have an idea for a diorama involving the 2 kits, and hopefully maybe some lights. We'll see. Will be pushing the extent of my memory of my electrical education. But I felt compelled to come on and just post a little something quick. It is January 9th, 2026. And if you are living on the face of this earth, then you know about the incident in Minneapolis. You've seen the video, both the bystander video and the ICE agent's cell phone video. Not body cam. I think that's important to emphasize. That was his cell phone video. And you have also had the misfortune to experience our government's response, whereby they seem to think that they can tell us that we did not see what we saw. I'm going to strip away any hyperbole, any rhetoric, any spin, and tell you that I saw an American citizen executed by an agent of the federal government. I'm going to say it again and hopefully not pause so many times. I saw an American citizen executed by an agent of the federal government. It was disgusting. It was unnecessary. It was most certainly illegal. This is something that we should have seen coming, honestly. And I know that there's at least 1 or 2 people who are watching this video. It seems like a pretty high amount considering there's only 6 of you, but I know there's at least 1 or 2 of you who are okay with the current administration's policy toward immigration because it was only going to affect black and brown people. I also know that there were many of us, and yes, I'm going to say us because I was one of the people who said it privately. It's not going to stop with black and brown people. And now here we are. And where are we? An American citizen was executed by an agent of the federal government. These are exhausting times. These are exhausting times for all of us. Whatever energy you have, put together a form letter that you can copy and paste into an email, and email your Congress critters, your local, state, federal representatives once a month, once a week, 5 times a week, whatever you can manage, and let them know that this is not okay over and over and over again until they hear. Because this is god-awful. This is god-awful, and it's not American. That's all I got for right now. I'll see you, like I said, in 4 to 6 weeks with hopefully something good and pleasant and cheerful that we can all take a little bit of pleasure out of. Until then, in the words of somebody who is way smarter than I'll ever be, good night, good luck, and to anyone who happens to be watching, I love you, whoever you are. Take good care of yourselves and each other. Good night.